That is a lot of parts. There's a whole bunch more parts underneath that. And all I need is a picture. Let's get to building. Would you believe these Chinese SOBs? I don't know what you paid for it, but they did not drill the holes on this end. This here is the top bar, and the legs on this end are supposed to attach right here. No holes. So I gotta get a drill. Can you believe that? Right off the bat. All right, let me get a drill. All right. BC 1, Chinese 0. Now I gotta put these gussets that go from here to here on. And that would be these right here. But I gotta see what nuts and bolts go with it. And again, no love from the Chinese. You know, I know it's not everything, but it seems like every single thing we buy from the Chinese is fouled up. No hole. I gotta figure out where this, you know, what angle this goes at and drill a hole. This one has a hole. So what I'm gonna do is tighten this bracket up. I usually don't like tightening anything up until I'm done with the assembly. But what I've got to see is, you know, what angle these legs are. Are they exactly 90 or do they kick out a little bit? I don't know. I'll have to tighten this up and see. And then I'll put them at the same angle and drill the hole. Okay. China 0, BC 2. I'm winning. Now I got to put these sidebars on. I kind of think this might be the Chinese plot to take over the entire world, as to make folks crazy from trying to assemble their crap. Okay, no incidents there. Both cross braces fit in nice. Now I got to assemble the seat and the little shade cover that fits over this, and we're done.
But it is that.
Go ahead, do it. Go on.
Come on.
Go
I don't
on.
have my seat then. I don't want you taking.
Of what?
Are you taking pictures?
I am.
No, I have no teeth in my head.
Okay. All right. So it's working.
It's very nice. I like it.
We know it's a one person.
Oh, God, my butt's
Now,
pain. This is nice.
now.
Hey, Lucy, come on. Let's
I've
do
been
it.
on a yard swing for
There
years.
we go.
Don't,
Here we
Brad.
go. Here we go.
All right.
Now we're rocking.
Okay.
We're
All right. I'm
swinging.
trusting it a little more.
We're swinging.
All right. That's 2 people and 2 dogs. We need a
Come on,
third dog
come
up
on,
there.
Sonny, come on. Come on. Hurry. Come on, someone. Come on, boys. Oh.
Already.
Okay. Lucy. Quick.
All right. That's 2 people, 3 dogs.
Okay.
And 750-pound weight limit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. That's like that bridge in Florida that fell.
Look at Sonny propping herself up on Lucy. Okay, get out.
Okay. I win, Chinese. You ready for your close-up? So that's 300 pounds of me and what, 99 pounds of you?
Oh, you're so sweet.
Not
Oh.
105?
Oh, I wish.
105.
That was high school days.
So between me, you, and the dogs, that's got to be 750 pounds on here.
At least.
No room in the inn, Lucy.
So we'll move that little
Yeah,
white
move
dog.
the white dog, huh? Oh,
They're eating in there. She
she wants to go eat. Okay. We'll go home in a minute.
We eat when we get home.
We'll eat when we get home. In 5 minutes, we'll be out of here.